Lucky Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, northeastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Monticello, Oregon, 11 miles northeast of Monroe, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Janesville, Evansville, Brodhead, New Glarus, Orfordville, Monticello, Albany, Footville, Magnolia, Dayton, and Hanover. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA